Very good morning, students. Today I am sharing Tata Classes presentation with you all that is based on lesson number 3, inserting tables.
While booking the railway ticket online, you would have noticed the train route which is presented in the form of a table. Have you wondered what would happen if the same information was presented through paragraph text and not in tabular format? It would be quite difficult to grasp the information, right? Newspapers also use tables frequently whenever they have to share statistics such as game scores, crisis casualties, policy details, etc. Let us learn about tables and how we can create them in our documents. A table is an arrangement of text in the form of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Tables help audience see relationships clearly, which otherwise can get hidden or lost in dense text. In MS Word 2010, tables are not just containers for data. In fact, they are essential formatting tools. Option to create tables is one common feature between MS Word and MS Excel. Let us learn about tables in MS Word. We can insert tables by using the table command of Tables group in Insert tab. It gives various options for creating tables. We can create tables of up to 10 columns and 8 rows using a built-in visual tool. The built-in design saves time in table creation. For larger size tables, we can use the option Insert Table that opens a table dialog box where we can select the number of rows and columns. The quickest way to start a table is with the Quick Tables option in the Table button of Tables tab. It provides a range of pre-formatted tabular structure. Alternatively, we can design table using the Draw Table tool. We can also convert the text into tables or vice versa. MS Word determines the required number of rows and columns by considering the text separators and then auto-fits the contents. Select the text. Go to Insert tab. Click on Table. It will show the drop-down list of menu options. Click on the Convert Text to Table option. It will open a dialog box, Convert Text to Table. The number of columns and rows will be automatically shown. It will also show the column separation criteria. We can change the number of columns and rows. We can also change the separation criteria as well. In this example, tabs is the separator. Click on OK. It will convert the text into table. We can navigate through the table using the keyboard as well. We can move to the next cell using Tab key. If the cursor is in the last cell of the row, the Tab key moves the cursor to first column of next row. To move to the beginning of previous row, press up arrow key. To move to the beginning of next row, press down arrow key. To move to the beginning of first cell of column, press Alt plus page up. To move to the beginning of last cell of column, press Alt plus page down. To select the cell, on the bottom left corner of the cell. To select the row, we click at the left of row. To select a column, we click above the topmost cell of the column. To select the entire table, click on the Move handle or drag over the entire table. Alternatively, we can select the table. It will show the Design and Layout tabs under Table Tools. We can then click on Layout tab and then select Command in Table Group. We can then click on Select Row for row selection. To add a cell in the table, we can go to the Table Layout. Then we can click on the launcher of Rows and Columns group. It opens up the Insert Cells dialog box. If we select the radio button, Shift Cells Right, on clicking OK, all the cells will move toward right. To add a row, we can select Insert Above or Insert Below options in Rows and Columns of Table Tool Layout. To add columns, we can select Insert Left or Insert Right options in Rows and Columns of Table Tool Layout. Sometimes there is a need to split the table into multiple parts to add the text between tables. To split the table, we can go to the Table Layout. Then we can click on the Split table in the Merge group. It will split the table into two parts from the current row. To rejoin the tables, we have to delete the paragraph marker between two tables. Sometimes we merge the cells as well to appear as a single cell. To do so, we have to select the cells to be merged and then go to the Table Layout. Next, click on the Merge Cells in the Merge group. It will merge the selected cells into one cell. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.
So what we have learned in this video, all these things I have already explained you through the videos also and through the live classes also. What the first thing is, table helps visual representation of text. Table से आप डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो एक प्रॉपर सिस्टमैटिक मैनर में. अ टेबल इज़ एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ टेक्स्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स. टेबल क्या होता है? एक फॉर्म होता है रोज एंड कॉलम का, एंड द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम इज कॉल्ड द सेल. टेबल हेल्प्स टू अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्सचुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्लियरली. जो भी टेक्स्ट आप लिखते हो उसको क्लियरली समझने के लिए टेबल फॉर्मेट सबसे प्रेजेंटेबल होता है और अंडरस्टैंडेबल होता है. नेक्स्ट इज इंसर्टिंग स्मॉल टेबल्स, लार्ज टेबल्स, क्विक टेबल ऑप्शन एंड थ्रू कीबोर्ड्स. आप टेबल को 3 तरीक़ों से इंसर्ट कर सकते हो, यूजिंग द ग्रिड ऑप्शन, यूजिंग द इंसर्ट टेबल ऑप्शन एंड ड्रॉ टेबल ऑप्शन. Next is small tables options can create a table of size 10 rows and 8 columns. This is grid option, from where you can insert a table of not more than 10 rows and 8 columns. Next is quick table option, pre-formatted tables for specific purpose. Next is row, column and cells can be inserted in the table using the tools from layout tab. Then table can be split to add the text between the rows. You can add n number of rows and columns. So in the already created tables, you can again insert the number of rows and number of rows and columns to it. To merge the table, you can merge the table, you can merge the cells, you can split the cells. All these functions you can perform in the table using the insert tab only. Okay. Next, we're going to see how to format a table. Presentation on formatting a table. We have seen how to insert a table in MS Word and how we can add more number of rows and columns into a table, how we can add data into the table. Okay, then we have seen how to split the table or how to split the cells, how to merge the cells. Now we'll see how to format a table, how to make your table look more beautiful and presentable.
You all must have participated in March past on various occasions in your school, such as on Independence Day, Republic Day, or School Sports Day. For this, you wear different uniform and not the regular one. Once you reach the ground, your teacher instructs you to stand in a perfect straight line, often according to increasing height. Why do you think your teacher gives you all those instructions? Yes, to ensure you look well organized, neat, and presentable while you perform the march past. Similarly, in Microsoft Word, we can organize the text in tables to enhance its appearance by formatting the table. So, what is formatting a table? Formatting a table is nothing but changing the font size, font type, font color, and text alignment in order to change its appearance. It also includes applying borders and shading to the table. Let us first look at the steps involved in formatting and aligning text in a table. First, select the text in the table which you want to format. Next, click the dialog box launcher in the font group in Home tab. The font dialog box appears. Next, select the desired font, font style, and font size from the concerned list sections. You can also select variety of effect options for the text from the Effects section. Finally, click OK button to apply the formatting. Let us now understand how to align text in a table. Usually, a text in the table is aligned to left by default. To change the alignment, first select the text in the table. Next, select the type of alignment options, that is, left, right, center, or justify from the paragraph group in Home tab. You will observe that the text gets aligned based on the options you selected. You can enhance the appearance of the table by changing its borders and applying shades to it. To apply border and shading, first select the entire table or a part of the table that needs to be shaded. Next, click the Design tab. The Design and the Layout tab appear only when the table is selected. From the Design tab, select the desired line style, line width, line weight, and pen color from the drop-down lists from the Draw Borders group. Next, select the border setting of your choice from the Borders drop-down list on Table Styles group. Select the color of your choice for shading from the Shading drop-down list on the Table Styles group. The borders and shading is applied to the table. Next, let us see how to apply table styles to enhance the look and feel of the table. Table styles are pre-formatted features for the table with different border styles, shade colors, fonts, and so on. To format the table using table styles, first select the entire table to be formatted. Next, click the Design tab. Then you need to click More button in the Table Style group. Now, select the desired table style from the drop-down list in Table Styles group. The table is formatted with the chosen style. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.
So what we have learned in this video, that we can format the table. Formatting means changing the tab colors, changing the color of the cell, the background of your table. You can change the font size, font type, or you can change the border and the alignment of your table to make your table look more beautiful and presentable. Border and shadings, you can change the border and shading of your table, and you can change the table style also. What is table style? Some pre-formatted styles of a table are given to you. From there you can select the type of the table that you want. Okay, so MS Word provides a set of predefined table designs that includes borders, जिसमें already border color होता है, colors होते हैं, cell alignments होते हैं, everything is predefined. So you can select that also from the table design or the table style tab. Okay, so this is all about lesson number 3 of class 5. Thank you. And one more important thing I want to tell you all, that we have already discussed all these things in the previous video. Now I request all the students to please watch this video so that you can clearly analyze the points that you need to follow to apply all these things. Okay, thank you.